What's up, Zendu Nation? This is Dan Whitmer, and we're doing a high-intensity interval training workout for fat loss. What's up, players? That one's a little louder than I usually do. We've talked about high-intensity interval training before, but just to refresh your memory, the format that we will be doing is 20 seconds on of all out, all intense, super hard exercise, followed by 10 seconds of rest. We're gonna repeat that pattern for a total of 8 exercises, so one circuit is 4 minutes long. I'm gonna do the first one with you guys, and then if you're a beginner, I want you to repeat this circuit 2 more times. If you are advanced, repeat this circuit another 4 times. If you guys want 10% off the best, most durable jump rope on the market, by the way, guys, I say that in every video and then a bunch of people comment and say like, check this rope out, check this rope out. Is this rope good? My rope keeps breaking. I'm gonna be very clear with you. There's a reason why we work with Cross Rope. They're the best in the market of jumping rope. That's why we work with them. Before we had an agreement with them, way before that, I was already using and loving their jump ropes. Again, for anyone who has questions about Cross Rope and if they should invest in it, yes, we're going to say that until we're blue in the face, because as you guys know, our community, Brandon and I are only gonna use the best. Cross Rope's the best. So that's why we use it. I am doing this workout fasted. It's about 11:30. It's about 11:30 in the morning. I'm doing this workout fasted, and I just took my BCAAs. We've been getting a lot of questions from people in the group who are practicing intermittent fasting and are not eating till 1 or 2 p.m., but working out in the morning. Dan, what should I do so I don't lose my muscle mass? The answer, my friends, is take branched chain amino acids, also known as BCAAs. Our favorite ones from Athletic Greens, an awesome company. Check those out down in the link below. Again, if you are working out on an empty stomach, eating branched chain amino acids or consuming them is a great way to hold on to your lean muscle mass while you work out in the fasted state. Let's just get after it. Let's do the thing. Let's be practitioners. Let's be doers. Let's be action takers. Let's roll.
Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Zen dudes are back and we got high intensity interval training today, 20 seconds, all out effort, let's go. 10 more seconds, run in place here, and you got a 10-second break. Woo! Rest. All right, folks, put the jump ropes down. We got butt kicks. You know what you're doing here. You're butt kicking. You're kicking your butt. Look at Dan. Do what he does. Bouncing on the balls of your feet. Staying light. Light, like a fairy. Like a fairy godmother. And fairy godmother. All right, ladies and gentlemen, back with the jump rope again. Now we got fast skip, and again, we want you in between the balls of your feet and your toe, and you're just doing a skip to my loo here. A skip to my loo, keeping that core tight, keeping those shoulders tight, everything tight, tight, tight. Time. All right, push-ups, folks. We want to protect our shoulders here by bringing our elbows just slightly in a little bit. And again, we're going down 90 degrees. And yeah, do your push-ups. You can't do push-ups, do push-ups from your knees. That's the modification today. Time. Now back to jump rope, run in place. And again, guys, it's all about keeping that good form, bouncing on the balls of your feet, keeping those arms tight. You can see nothing on Dan's body is moving except for that rope and his wrists just slightly, as well as feet. Bouncing, bouncy, bouncy. 2, 1, time. Now we got jump squats, folks. And again, we're bringing that booty down just about 90 degrees, creating that 90-degree angle between your calf and your hamstring here. The goal is to be explosive, but also keep that form on point. 3 more seconds. And right back to the fast skip again, guys. So these are intense. You only got 10 seconds rest, so give it everything you have during that 20-second interval. Beautiful, 10 more seconds. 2, 1, time. And now we just got normal squats. So drop that booty, knees jutting out just slightly to the side so you can protect your knees so you can do squats till you're 100 years old. And bring that butt down, creating the 90-degree angle between your calf and your hamstring. Beautiful. 3 more seconds. Finish strong. Time.
Huh? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, I'll take my shirt off, for sure. It'll make the shot better.